Hello. In this video, we're discussing online privacy and how encryption can make you safer online. No tech degree needed. Let me try to explain why this matters and why you should care. Think of it like this. With online communications, basically every time you hit send, you're essentially mailing a postcard labeled "Read Me." Your carrier, the cafe Wi-Fi guy, maybe some intern at HQ, anyone along the route, can flip it over. That's normal today, but it doesn't have to be. There is a way to swap that postcard for a steel lockbox that only you and your friend can open. No sci-fi gadgets, just the phone already in your pocket. Curious? Imagine you text your partner a photo of the shiny new credit card. 2 seconds later, it's projected on a break room monitor 3,000 miles away. Creep level, maximum. That's what happens when your words travel naked. Let's bolt the door so only the eyes you choose ever see them. Most apps treat messages like postcards. Plain text hopping through servers, routers, and backups. If someone sniffs the traffic, or strolls into the wrong data center, your secrets become theirs. Remember Yahoo's 2013 breach? 3 billion accounts leaked because everything was stored like open books. New breach headlines drop weekly. The risk isn't someday, it's by Friday. End-to-end encryption is like giving your friends a special magical lockbox. Here's how it works. Your phone forges 2 keys for you. One is your public key. Think of it as a unique open padlock that you can copy and give to anyone. The other is your private key, and it's the only key in the entire world that can unlock that padlock. It never, ever leaves your phone. When a friend wants to send you a secret message, their app puts the message in a box and snaps your public padlock shut on it. From that moment on, it's sealed. Nobody can peek inside. No hacker, no government, not even the app maker. Only your private key, sitting safely on your phone, can open it. Even if someone intercepts the box, all they get is a container they can't crack. WhatsApp, Signal, iMessage, FaceTime, all flip this lock on by default. You'll spot it when you see a tiny padlock icon, or when chat bubbles flip from green to blue. That color change isn't a style choice. It's your friend's phone saying, "Lock engaged." No passwords to memorize, no PhD in crypto required, just 2 people running the same app. End-to-end encryption freezes identity thieves in their tracks, keeps intimate photos from becoming front-page news, and makes sure your million-dollar idea stays yours. Courts can knock all they want. The provider can only shrug and hand over a locked box they have no key for. Peace of mind, delivered free with every download. If this is clicking for you, subscribe. More privacy tricks, minus the jargon, every week. Drop a comment and tell me which app you're locking down first. If this sounds complicated, it's really as simple as choosing the right, privacy-focused service provider to protect you. For messaging, grab Signal for free to replace Facebook Messenger, or open WhatsApp and confirm the padlock is lit. On iPhone, look for blue bubbles. On Android, check the lock icon in Google Messages. For your email, you can ditch providers like Gmail, which scan your content, for a service like Proton Mail. The Proton family of apps also offers an encrypted calendar and cloud storage. 30 seconds tops, and your future self will buy you coffee for it. The internet's always angling to read your postcards over your shoulder. Now you know how to slide each message into an envelope that snaps shut and never reopens without your say-so. Install the lock. Share this with that friend who still thinks privacy is impossible, and reclaim the right to whisper without the whole world leaning in.